Have you searching Claude model for free? In this today's video, I will show you how you can use all the Claude model for free. Not only Claude model, I will show you how you can use ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Minimax and many more other model for your coding time and general use. Here in this website, you can use all of this model for free, where you can also compare two model, and if you ask any question, both model responsive. Without wasting time, I will show you how you can use this model. Have you searching Claude model for free? In this today's video, I will show you how you can use all the Claude model for free. Not only Claude model, I will show you how you can use ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Minimax and many more other model for your coding time and general use. Here in this website, you can use all of this model for free, where you can also compare two model, and if you ask any question, both model responsive. Without wasting time, I will show you how you can use this model. Go to your favorite browser and search for Arena AI, and officially website will be reflected on the first link. From here you can easily use this model. Not only for coding purpose, you can upload your image or PDF, you can build your app and website, you can search on website, you can generate image, you can generate video as well. Here is the model. This all model available for you. Claude Sonnet and Claude Haiku model will be available for free. Not only this model, you can use all other model that will be currently trending on the market. Then first create account by using your Google. If you are using it for the first time, then it will ask you to verify. It will send the verification code through your email, where I have already used it. After that, you are officially landed here in Arena AI website. From here you can see your history as well. You can start your new chat. Here will be the 4 section, which is important and interesting battle model, where you can battle between two anonymous model. Agent mode, you can directly connect with the agent, and this is the side by side. You can compare two model that you want. You can choose any model according to your requirement. If your purpose is coding, then you can use Minimax Claude model. If your model is image generation and video generation, then you can use Coin model. Similarly, according to your requirement, you can use any model. I will demonstrate using coding. Here I will select the Claude Sonnet model. In some time, Claude Opus model will be also available here. For now, it will not available. Only the Claude Sonnet and Claude Haiku model will be available here. And I will compare this Claude Sonnet model with Minimax M3 model. If you select the code, then it will provide preview feature. If you want to design the UI, here already built UI will be available here. Accounting gallery, bottom sheet gallery, image pull to refresh feature. If you select dashboard, then you can see stock dashboard will be available here. Weather dashboard will be available here. Gaming state, crypto portfolio will be also available here. Many pre-built coding sample will be available here. If you want to clone something, just like Notion, Slack channel, Airbnb listing, then it will be also available. If you want and to build game, then here will be the pre-built game. You didn't need to do anything. Tic-tac-toe will be available. 3D spacing and many more. Animation, visualization, map, e-commerce will be available here in coding. I will select the dashboard and I want to build the fitness dashboard. After you have selecting this, you didn't need to do anything. It will start to work on it. When you have select anything that will be provided by AI, it will write the best prompt by itself and give you the response. Okay, until we get the final output, let's wait. We have compared the Claude Sonnet and Minimax. Both are currently working, and we'll compare both outputs. Best things about this website will be you can easily run your code here. Here will be the code and here will be the output of this code. Let's wait until it will complete. Here both of them is in the last stage to complete it. Minimax already completed its tasks. Claude R is in the last steps to complete this fitness dashboard. All feature will be available in one place. This is the dashboard. How much awesome is it? Everything will be included. Weekly goal progress bar, workout history, heart rate, weekly overview, weekly steps, and everything will be available here. And you can download this as well. This is the feature that will be provided by Arena AI. If you want to improve anything things, then you can directly interact from here. If you want to see the code structure, then code structure will be also available here. Where Minimax already completed it, Claude are still working. Until now it will take nearly 4 minutes. Where Minimax completed tasks within the 2.5 minutes. In some case, for the best output, time is required. Now Claude is also completed. It will complete it in 3.5 minutes. This is the component, this is the feature. All the feature and component will be described here. You can see the Claude output. If you can compare, both response are like to like similar, that I feel. This is the Minimax response and this is the Claude response. Only better things will be Claude add the animation, but Minimax didn't add this. Both are unable to implement this navigation, only give the UI. If you want to see the code from here, you can view. You can also manually customize this code as well. You can download it. You can customize it from the prompt in the vibe forms. By this way, you can easily use Claude model. I have already used in my daily life, where I have created video, where I have created image. I am also using it for my coding purpose. It will be working fine and it will provide the decent amount of token for you. If you are a student, then you are unable to hit its limit. This is the model leaderboard. You can see all the model leaderboard and all the model performance will be reflected here. That's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well, and we'll meet you on the next video. Until now, bye bye.